we're really going to spend developing our topic. So now we're moving into week 2. Last week we've been brainstorming. This upcoming week, we're going to work on development and refining. And then in week 3, that's when we're really going to get into research. What you'll notice in the table of contents, right, for week 3, once again, you see those course project pages on 3.5, right? That's chapter 3, page 5, and chapter 3, page 9. Those pages are going to contain the templates that will help you with the support and the research organizer, so you can really write your summary. They're going to look similar to the templates you just saw. They're going to have those examples you can save and submit just like you did for this week's upcoming topic, and we'll review with you again once we get to week 3. So, don't worry about that now. Once you've completed all of your templates and you've made sure all of your content is into your template and you're ready to download your Microsoft Word document, there's one more step within the web text that you want to take first, and that's always that you want to perform your own assessment, right? If you notice, pages 3.10 and 3.11 also have course project written before them, and this is your chance to take a look at how the assignment is graded and how we can check to make sure that we have done everything well. Remember that I said to you that we have a sample paper, right? You'll notice that there on page 3.10, there is a sample completed packet. And you can take a look at that and see, did this packet fulfill all the requirements? What do you think? If so, how does your essay stack up, right? Can you take a look at it and make sure that, you see the quality? You can do that on this model, and you can do that on your own essay. So, it's really important that you take the time to do that. But here you can see, right, all what your paper should contain and how it should look. You'll see the formatting, you'll see the content. And remember, right, if it looks intimidating now, we're building it in pieces over the next couple of weeks. There's nothing for you to worry about. Dr. S., is there anything you'd like to add there?
Just that one of the things that Dr. Philip said is that the writing rubric, which is your grading of it, is also really important. And in 3.11, you'll see it takes you through exactly everything you'll be graded on. One of the things that I find wonderful about Strayer classes is you're given an assignment and you're given the grading rubric, how you will be graded. So what, of course, you want to be looking at is over here, full credit, right? You always want to look to your far right because we expect you to do well. But you can see it gives you each one of the areas here in the self-assessment, tells you how much it's worth, and gives you questions to ask yourself to make sure you can to remind yourself finally before you submit it, did I take care of all of these things?